In many classrooms, science and maths remain abstract. Students memorize without understanding. Learning becomes mechanical and curiosity fades. At ThinkTac, we bring science and maths to life through hands-on activities that make learning real, joyful, and meaningful. ThinkTac is a social enterprise transforming science and maths education through hands-on, inquiry-based learning. Over the past decade, we've reached over 100,000 students and 25,000 educators across India with experiential STEM programs that cultivate curiosity, conceptual clarity, and 21st century skills. Our curriculum-aligned programs, TAC Power Science and TAC Power Maths, integrate directly into school timetables. Children explore concepts by doing, building, questioning, and applying their learning in context. Because we believe every child is born curious, and when they learn by doing, they don't just remember, they understand. They don't just answer questions, they ask better ones. ThinkTac is not just a kit, it's a comprehensive, classroom-ready program with structured lesson plans, real-time teacher support, and mentorship for students who want to go further. Our Innovate Through Variables approach cultivates scientific thinking far beyond activity completion. Our programs are aligned with the NCERT framework developed in collaboration with CBSE and implemented in partnership with over 10 SCERTs. Fully in sync with NEP 2020 and NCF 2023, we support reforms like bagless days and competency-based learning, building not just knowledge, but skills and confidence. For learners ready to go beyond, we present the Raman Young Science Innovator Award, conducted with the Raman Research Institute Trust and Innovation and Science Promotion Foundation. Students from grade 3 to 10 build and explain their own science activities using simple materials driven by original thinking. Schools that adopt ThinkTac see deeper learning, stronger engagement, and national level recognition for students, teachers, and the institution. Bring experiential and competency-based STEM learning into your classrooms. Partner with ThinkTac and let every child learn through curiosity, creativity, and action. Let us build the future, one activity at a time.